First thing you want to do is go to project wizard, next, select the device you want to program, click next. In this window you're going to select the compiler you want to use. Since I'm going to program in C, I'm going to select the C18 compiler, which I previously installed. Let's go ahead and choose a directory first, actually. So I'm going to create a new folder, and with that name I'm going to call it project 1. And inside that folder I'm going to type the same name I use, but you can type another name if you want. Save, click next. If you have any other files you want to use, you want to include them here, but since this is your first project, you probably don't have any, so go ahead and click next. You're going to get the finish button, so go ahead and click that. Now what you want to do is go ahead and click on File, New. You're going to get a white screen, so go ahead and type your program in here. And like always for any C program, you have a main function. Once you have created your program, go ahead and save the file as main.c, and don't forget to select the folder where you have your project. Click save. Now before we compile and everything, you have to add this file to your source files. So right click, add files, select the file you want to add to your source files, in this case a main file. Now we're ready to compile. So project, build all, we are done compiling, but now we have to select the, well, actually if you go to configure and select device, just make sure that the device that the microcontroller you're using is selected. Also go to programmer and select the programmer you're using. I'm using the PIC 3. Now if you notice, I'm getting an error here, and the reason for that is that I have to power my microcontroller first. Now there are two ways to power them, that is with a power supply or with your PIC 3. If you want to use your PIC 3 to power your controller, go to programmer, settings, power target from PIC 3, select the voltage you want to use, click apply. Okay, and this line lets you know that you are connected to your microcontroller. Click OK. If you get disconnected, you can go to programmer, reconnect. Okay, once again, and once again you see this line. So now our program is compiled, we are connected. Now you gotta click the program button. And this line let us know that we're done. So now check your circuit and make sure that everything is working as expected.